I'm going to show you how to replace brake pads and rotors on a Toyota Camry. First, we're going to remove the wheel. Then we're going to remove the 2 bolts from the caliper. We're going to hang the caliper to move it out of the way. We're going to remove the 2 17-inch bolts for the caliper bracket, then the rotor. We put the bracket in the vice press so we can lubricate and clean the caliper bracket pins. Then we replace the new rotor. Gonna put a bolt nut or lug nut on the rotor to hold it in place. Now we're gonna put the bracket with the 2 bolts. Once those are tied up, then we're gonna start putting our brake pads in place. Give me a little hard time, but it's on. Now we gotta compress our caliper all the way in. Put some anti-seize on the caliper. Put it back on. Then we tie our 2 bolts from the caliper. And we're done. If you like the video, thumbs up. Subscribe.